Hello students, today I am going to explain the next topic of chapter characteristics of living being, and that is excretion. Excretion means elimination of waste from the body. It means all living things remove waste from the body because removal of waste is very necessary. If we allow to accumulate the waste in our body, that may cause harm. So it is very necessary to remove or eliminate waste in our body. Animals' waste are urine, sweat, and carbon dioxide. Plants also remove waste from the body like carbon dioxide, water, gum, resin, etc. The next characteristics of living being is response to stimulus. It means the changes in the environment to which the organism respond are known as stimuli. It means all living things respond when an external stimulus acts on it. We can feel cold, heat, pain, we can react on sound and also chemicals. These all are the example of response to stimulus. It means all living thing so response to stimulus. The next characteristic of living being is reproduction. Reproduction means the process by which living being produce of their own kind of offspring. What reproduction means? The process by which living being produce of their own kind of offspring. It means all living things reproduce, and this is the most important character of the living being because reproduction maintain the species on the earth, continuity of species on the earth. Some animals give birth to a baby, some lay eggs. Plants also reproduce by the different part of the bodies, like plants reproduce through seed, stem, leaf, etc. The next topic of the chapter characteristics of living being is lifespan. Lifespan is also characteristics of living being. Lifespan means the period of time between birth and death of an organism. What? Lifespan means the period of time between birth and death of an organism. It means all living beings have a certain lifespan. Lifespan of different living things are different. Like bacteria survive only for 20 minutes, bee for 1 year, housefly for 1 to 4 months, mouse 2 to 3 years, lion 20 to 25 years, tortoise 120 to 125 years. Human beings 58 to 80 or 85 years. Okay, all living things have a certain lifespan. Okay, the next topic of this chapter is species. Species means a group of plants or animals that are all the same and that can breed together are called species. Means a group of plant or animals that all are same and that can breed together are called species. The all species have same, just I explained, species means same kind of animal or plant. Like lion is from lioness species, tiger, fish, parrot, these all are from different species, and one species can able to breed together, like tiger give birth a tiger baby and only breed together in tigers. Okay, so species means a group of same plant or animals. The next topic of this chapter is difference between living and non-living. I have explained the all characteristics of living being. Now I am going to explain the difference between living and non-living. Students, you all know that living things are made up of cell, while non-living things are made up of atom and molecules. Living things can move on their own while non-living things cannot move. Living things grow with time while non-living things do not grow with time. Living things need air to breathe while non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food to grow while non-living things do not need food. Living things feel change around them while non-living things do not feel any change. Living things reproduce while non-living things do not reproduce. And the example of living things are plants, animal, microorganisms, etc. And the example of non-living things are book, pen, pencil, bat, house, soaps, rocks, water. These all are non-living things. Okay students, now I have explained the all topic of this chapter, characteristics of living being. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thanks, stay home, stay safe.